rat rod generator had a horrible, another reason they condemned it, horrible fuel line, new fuel line. Also had a horrible rusty fuel valve. I tried to save it, soaked it in vinegar, but after I did that, the seals just shot on it. And even when you put water or oil in it, you just see, you know, it shot. Grommet shot. So I get all new parts, plastic tank, date code. Still smells horrible in this tank. I tried everything. Carbon alcohol. I say to put this in first. This one doesn't even have an edge on it though. That one had a, I have no idea if it's going to seal. They say put this though in first. And then you have to figure out your orientation. I believe it's going to go a little this way. I got to put the tank on. This is a used, cleaned screen that was out of that one because some of these fuel valves don't come with them. These are like NOS, the metal ones. China makes them, but I'm fighting American ones. Let's use this stuff. Any kind of grease would work, a little grease around there. And then you gotta push it in. It worked on the other one, I put a plastic one in there. It was kind of like on this angle, that should be good enough. And put it in there and then turn it upside down and press on it. It's kind of difficult to get in. This thing is so smelly. Okay, it went in. I don't know, hopefully that seals without leaking. I don't know, I hope. The grommet, I think, is a POS. Might work, might not. We'll see. I put fuel in it. Push it in. The metal one seems to go in easier than the plastic one did I bought. Might work. Better than the other one, that's for sure. That one's leaking like crazy. Another reason they condemned it. Let's go put their new fuel line on. This tank stinks. I washed it, I did everything. It still smells in there. Yeah, that's fine. I also might put an inline fuel filter on here. There's a screen. I'm just going to put a little round one, I think, over there when I finish fixing it. Yeah, that moves way better than the other one. It shouldn't leak. Wow. Another couple dollar fix. Got a new air cleaner lid if you've been following. And it's coming along. It should run under its own power soon. Rebuilt the carb again. This needs a lot of detail work, like rust and a lot of stuff. And I think this rope is starting to fray too. I should change the rope on it. Nice.